Hey guys, it's Madibeats and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading much in my channel. I'm sorry for the dogs outside. I am not sure why they're freaking out right now. Are there like people outside? I don't know. And I have to shoot this now or I'm gonna lose my mind. Anyways, this is a tutorial on the ODbass combos. And if you don't know what an ODbass is, please check out my other tutorials or some of the other tutorials before we proceed into this tutorial. So this is a ODbass combo tutorial. Okay, if you don't know what an ODbass is, you go back to the other other tutorials. So like ODbass. I know there's a lot of combos that you can create with the ODbass, but I'll be showing you guys one of my favorites and one of the easiest combos that I know. Let's start with the basics, which is I'll show you what an ODbass is first, which is the. And if you have watched my other videos, I showed you guys how to do this sound step by step. I'm not sure if it was clear enough for you guys, but I will do a summary. This damn dogs is so noisy outside. God. Ugh. I'm a dog person and a cat person. I'm not really picky with animals except rats. I mean, they're okay, but they're like. Anyways, back to the tutorial again. Yeah, the ODbass. The combos that I usually do, if you have watched my other videos and other routines that I've done, mostly like this. Or so those were some of the ODbass patterns that I usually do, or combos, yeah. The first one, which is the all you have to do is like and then you put a B in it, a kick drum. B. So as you can see, I'm using ODbass variations. There's variations to this. There's a lot of ODbass variations from. And to change the variations or the sound, the note sound of it, all you have to do is open and close your mouth. Like. As you can see, the sound changes as I close and open my mouth. And I'll do it slowly. So from. So yeah, in this combo, I use a lot of variations from. And you add F. So basically, it has the sound all over it, and that's the thing. It's the main sound aside from the ODbass combined together. For the other combo, which is so it does not involve the throat sound, throat kick, yeah. So it does not involve that. So all you have to do is, I think it's the same thing without sound. Not really the same. It's like a bit faster because the sound kind of gets in the middle of all the R's from the ODbasses. This combo was one of my first combos for the ODbass, and it's very, very overused. Yeah, overused. I mean, I know I overuse ODbass, but Do you know how to do it? That's why I made this tutorial. Anyways, without it, so oh, this one has the K sound in it, so see, as I change the mouth positioning and size of my mouth close, yeah, it changes the sound of the ODbass. So if I put the sound of the voice, it will be, and then if I put it inside, which I typically do, a lot of people don't like that sound. They say like it's annoying. And I'm like, it's a sound. It's kind of true though. That's why I'm trying to avoid using it. Or do I need to clean it? That's the question now. So yeah. Basically, you just it's like replacing the sound with the ODbass, So, and lastly, creating hymns with the ODbass. Like my routine, the ODbass in your head, which I did for my World Beatbox Championships eliminations, where it went like so. Basically, it's what I told you guys before, which you have to basically just practice. So it's just practice. You need a lot of practice and a lot of tongue muscle. I'm not sure if I do have abs in my tongue. But yeah, you know, it's the tongue is the only muscle in our body which is seen. So before I end this video, I will do a freestyle for you guys with a lot of ODbass. Be ready or cringe yourself, because I will be overdosing of ODbass. So basically, OD means overdose. I mean, they say it's odd bass, but it's overdose for me. So whoever named this, I'm sorry, I will change it to overdose. This is an outright ODbass. So God, my tongue is so sore. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I guess I will see you guys. Okay, thanks. So that was it. Thanks for watching, I guess, guys, and I'm sorry. I don't know, I'm just sorry, because like my videos lately were just and I don't know, I haven't been uploading much, and most of the things that I uploaded were just, you know. So yes, guys, if you have other sounds that you want me to do, or videos, because sometimes it's hard. I don't know what to upload. I'm just like clueless. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and like follow my Instagram, Madibeats, Maddie_beats. And see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh my god, I just can't wait for Money Heist. Yeah, the new season. Can you guys like? Anyways, it's just like.